Hello everyone, in this video I'll be filming the Mitsubishi elevators at Block 537 Woodlands. Here are Lift B's buttons. And here are Lift A's buttons. Lift B's walls. Here are Lift A's walls. Here is Lift B's ceiling. Here is Lift A's ceiling. Now let's take a ride on the lifts. Let's start with Lift B. Let's go to 11. Let's go to 1.
Going down. Story 1.
Now let's ride Lift A.
Going up.
Let's go to 11.
Story 11.
Let's go back down to 1.
Going down. Story 1. Going up.
And that is the end of the video. Have a pleasant day, evening or night. Goodbye everyone.